What's up people, welcome to another video on the channel. I'm Sparsh the Tech Journalist, and today I have for you a brief unboxing and overview of the AKG K52 closed back wired headphones. So although they come from a big and renowned brand like AKG, they are not at all expensive. They are actually a budget offering from AKG and cost only about 1900 rupees on Flipkart and Amazon. They very rarely go on sale, but recently they were available at an amazing price of just 800 rupees on Flipkart during their Big Billion Days sale. So I ordered them and here they are. As you can see, this box is quite a lot bigger than most other headphones, which is due to the fact that these headphones don't offer any folding features. You will understand what I mean once I open the box. Before that, let me show you the box for a moment. Here on the front you can see this big picture of the actual headphones and the name. Over on this side, it says that these headphones have a self-adjusting headband, single-sided cable, and they also come with a 3.5mm to 6.3mm adapter for plugging them into your amps etc. Here is another picture of the headphones, and over on this side, you can see here that the MRP of these headphones is mentioned as 5401 rupees, but they are available to buy at a much lower price. So without any further ado, let's now open the box and see what's inside. So it comes with just one seal, and instead of at the center, this seal is placed at one side. Alright, here you go. So right here front and center are the headphones themselves, and let me just keep them aside for a moment to see what else is there in the box. So it's not a fancy unboxing experience, rather a very bare and simple one. On removing these two paper things, we have some printed paper here, along with this silica gel pouch which warns you not to eat it and asks you to throw it away. And here is a Chinese declaration and a warranty card with all the major European languages on it. Apart from these, you do not get anything in the box. They don't come with any sort of case or pouch either. So let me keep this aside and show you the main product. These are the headphones, and they actually feel quite light in the hand. Let me open this cable. And this is not your normal aux cable. It is a whopping 2.5 meters in length, which for some people might be useful, but for most who just want to casually use them on desks, this cable might be a big hassle to deal with. So here is the 3.5mm to 6.3mm adapter which was mentioned on the box. It's a basic adapter which you can simply plug any 3.5mm jack into, which means you can use it with any of your other headphones or earphones as well. One thing that I don't like too much about them is that this cable is not detachable, which means if you damage the cable, you lose the headphones unless you get it repaired or replaced. Also, the cable seems to be of decent quality. It is not too thin and not too thick either, and feels to be made of very soft rubber material. Coming to the headphones themselves, as you can see, they don't fold at all and just remain like this, so not too ideal for traveling. They have these large circular ear cups with left and right markings on them, and the main frame is made of metal while the enclosure for the drivers is basic plastic, which despite being plastic doesn't feel cheap. And since they don't fold, they come with this self-adjusting headband which adjusts according to the size of your head when you put them on. It seems to be made of a fake leather kind of a material with very minimal padding. The ear pads themselves are quite large and the padding seems quite soft, but from the looks of it there seems to be a lack of depth in these ear pads, which of course I will confirm during the full comprehensive review of these headphones. Overall, the looks of these headphones is quite simple and clean, which I actually like over some of the other fancy headphones with unnecessary blinks and lights. They are quite stealthy with just this AKG branding on both the sides. Well, this was just a brief unboxing and overview of these headphones. I will be using them extensively over the next few days and will make another video with a detailed comprehensive review of these headphones with all their pros and cons and of course their sound quality, so as to tell you whether you should spend your money on these or not. So do keep an eye out for that video, and the easiest way of doing that will be by subscribing to the channel. So this was pretty much it for the unboxing and overview of these AKG K52 closed back wired headphones. Do stay tuned for the full detailed comprehensive review. Do watch other videos on the channel, and if you enjoy these videos, then do leave a like, comment whatever you want, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay safe.